Hello, this is Brent Ferguson, and I'm here to tell you about Microsoft Sway. Microsoft Sway is an app you get through Microsoft Office if you have a Microsoft subscription. You can access Sway via the web without having to download software at sway.office.com/my. Using Microsoft Sway opens a variety of opportunities to create interactive reports, stories, training guides, blogs, and so much more, as you can see here. Sway is another creative way to keep the attention of the audience you are presenting to through pre-designed templates that can be customized by adding text, videos, pictures, and content from other sources. Another benefit to using Microsoft Sway is the fact that a majority of the formatting needed to make a professional and clean presentation is already created for you. If you don't like the templates, you can change your design. It can be customized to your liking without an extensive knowledge in how to use the software. When you are done making your Sway, your family, friends, coworkers, bosses, and many others will have access to your Sway through the web without needing a subscription, signing in, or having to download in order to view it. As you can see here, here's a link that you can copy and paste by various means. You can also hide parts of your Sway based on the privacy settings you set before sending out for others to see. This can be done through accessibility. Your Sway can also be accessed via the web on a computer or a smartphone, both providing a high-level quality experience for the viewer. There are many examples, templates, and completed Sways to give you an idea of what you can do in various areas, whether it be a story, presentation, report, photo album, and other examples that you see here. Here is an example of a completed Sway template provided on their main website. And as you can see, there are various text, YouTube videos, pictures that can be pulled from Flickr, your own computer, YouTube, OneDrive, Bing, and the list goes on. There's also content that can be pulled from the Sway library that's provided with the software. Basically, there are two components to starting a Sway. First, you have your storyline, and then you have your design. And under the storyline is really where you create the content, you add the content, you give the information that you want to be presented in your Sway. Under design, this is going to be what the folks see once you have completed your Sway. When your Sway has been created, you can click play at the upper right hand corner. And as we talked about before, there are various means to share your Sway via link. Now, to create your Sway and to get started, you will create new here that you see on the left. This will enable you to create a Sway project from scratch. Start a topic will let you search specific topics and create an outline for your presentation based on that topic. Start from a document will prompt you to upload documents, which Sway will adapt to the presentation draft. As I said at the very beginning, Microsoft Sway is a very user-friendly program, and this is really why I want to use Microsoft Sway to create the training that I need to have my consultants partake in order to overcome objections. And also, this can be referenced back to, this can be on the web, where it can be accessed in various means. And I'm very excited to see what the outcome of the presentation will be and to use this in real-world application outside of the class. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.